Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another Snapchat video. Today we're talking about the new TikTok section down here in Snapchat. Okay, so Snapchat has redone their whole interface lately, as you can see. And down here is kind of a new section that I'm calling the TikTok section. Because you come here and it's just the same dumb content, man. Like you swipe up and down to navigate through this stuff. And I feel like people create these clips and then they just spam them on every platform now. TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Instagram Reels, Instagram IGTVs. Now they're in Snapchat. Like, bruh, come on, when does it end? I don't know. I guess I'm just not a huge fan of that type of content. They're just like people that go out of their way to do stupid things to get views, man. And maybe it's not for me, but I see people like zone out and they're like zombies looking at this stuff. But it's just not good content, in my opinion. But anyways, if you want to add to the new TikTok section within Snapchat, all you want to do is hold this down. You can record a video. You want to tap send to in the bottom right corner. And then you want to tap on spotlight at the top. Submit your best snaps, yada yada, tap OK. So you can add a topic here, random, you can add more topics, and then you submit it. So there's how you do it if you want to try and go viral on the new TikTok section within Snapchat. I don't know, man. Let us know what you guys think of this down in the comments below. Are you sick of seeing this trash content in every single app yet? I sure am, but maybe people into like the 10 to 20-year-old age range are more into seeing this stupid stuff. Let us know what you think down in the comments. Like and subscribe to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard. You might wear